Hey guys! In today's video let's take a look at the JBL Bar 2.1 Deep Bass MK2, a 2.1 channel soundbar with wireless subwoofer. The JBL Bar 2.1 Deep Bass MK2 is a soundbar that promises to deliver a powerful and immersive sound experience for your TV and music. It features a 2.1 channel system with a wireless subwoofer that can produce up to 300 watts of total system power. It also supports Bluetooth, HDMI and an HDMI ARC connectivity, as well as Dolby Digital and JBL surround sound modes. Looking at the design of the system, the MK2 has a sleek and elegant design that will look great under your TV. It has a black finish with a metal grille on the front and a JBL logo on the top. The soundbar measures 38 by 2.3 by 3.4 inches and weighs just a little over 4 pounds. The subwoofer is also black and has a ported design with a JBL logo on the front. It measures 8.9 by 14.6 by 8.9 inches and weighs 11 pounds. The soundbar comes with a remote control, an HDMI cable, an optical cable, a power cord, wall mount brackets, and a quick start guide. The setup is very simple and straightforward. You can connect the soundbar to your TV via HDMI ARC or optical cable, and the subwoofer will automatically pair with the soundbar wirelessly. You can also use Bluetooth to stream music from your mobile or tablet devices. The remote control has buttons for power, source, volume, mute, bass, surround sound, Dolby Digital, and Bluetooth pairing. The soundbar also has some buttons on the top for power, source, and volume up and down. There is an LED display on the front of the soundbar that shows the source, volume level, sound mode, and other indicators. When it comes to performance and sound quality delivered, the JBL Bar 2.1 Deep Bass MK2 delivers an impressive sound quality that will fill your room with clear and crisp audio. The soundbar has 4 powerful full-range drivers and 2 1-inch tweeters that can handle high frequencies well. The subwoofer has a 6.5 inches driver that can produce deep and thrilling bass that you can feel. The soundbar supports Dolby Digital decoding, which gives you an authentic cinematic experience in your home. You can also switch to JBL surround sound mode, which creates a virtual surround sound effect that makes you feel like you are in the middle of the action. The soundbar also has a bass adjustment button that lets you customize the bass level according to your preference. The sound quality of the bar is suitable for different types of content, such as movies, games, sports, and music. Whether you are watching an explosive action scene, playing an immersive video game, cheering for your favorite team, or listening to your favorite songs, you will enjoy a rich and balanced sound that enhances your entertainment experience. Now let's take a look at some pros and cons. Pros: easy to set up and use, sleek and elegant design, powerful and immersive sound, wireless subwoofer with deep bass, Bluetooth connectivity, Dolby Digital and JBL surround sound modes, bass adjustment button. Cons: no HDMI pass-through, no voice assistant support, no EQ settings. Overall, the JBL Bar 2.1 Deep Bass MK2 is a great choice for anyone who wants to upgrade their TV sound without spending too much money or space. It offers a powerful and immersive sound quality with a wireless subwoofer that delivers deep bass. It also supports Bluetooth connectivity and Dolby Digital and JBL surround sound modes for different types of content. It has a sleek and elegant design that will look great under your TV. If you are looking for a simple and effective way to improve your TV sound, you should consider getting the JBL Bar 2.1 Deep Bass MK2. It will make your movies, games, sports, and music more enjoyable and exciting. For buying options and more information about this soundbar, check the links in video description. If you want to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Now, check out my 2 next videos. See you soon.